This section examines the diesel fuel system. The diesel fuel system contains a fuel tank to hold the fuel, a fuel supply pump to supply the system with fuel from the tank, a sedimenter to filter out water, a fuel filter to filter minute particles from the fuel, an injection pump to deliver highly pressurized fuel to the injectors, injector pipes between the injection pump and the injectors, injectors, one for each cylinder, to spray fuel into the combustion chambers, overflow and leak-off pipes to return excess fuel from the injection pump and injectors to the tank, a governor to control engine speed, and a control lever on the governor connected to the driver's accelerator.